Do you ever feel like you're wasting time and just not getting any traction? I've got a story for you. Hi, I'm Scott, and this is Everyday Stories on Our Homestead. And I read these, listened to these, and did all sorts of things to learn about this Secrets trilogy, but I never took action. I went over the material 100 times, but then I found a way to follow a step-by-step guide, a 10-day course. I'm doing this course, and I'm working on day 4 before I go to day 5. I worked on day 1 before I went to day 2. It's a 10-day course, but it is taking me a lot more than 10 days because I am doing all the homework. I'm filling out the PDF. I'm plugging in the information, and I'm getting it done before I move on. Right now, I'm looking for places to talk to people, to connect, and to actually find out what it takes to be a YouTube homestead creator. And it's wonderful. I'm making progress. I'm finding my voice. After years of listening, I'm doing things, and you can do things too. You've got to do the one thing rule. Here's the one thing. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it for a year. Follow the process and don't get distracted by all the shiny objects, all the different things you can make money with. Do one thing, make money with that one thing for a solid year, and then start branching out. Don't try doing 1,000 things at once. It doesn't work. Pick one thing. Learning is good, but applying makes it all. Track and adjust. Make progress by keeping track of what you've been doing and keep going forward. Like with my aquaponics system, I keep track of the pH, the different parameters of my water and the nutrients in the water. And that way I can see what is coming and when I need to add things to help out and grow better plants. So join the free challenge. It's at one funnel away. It's on the blog. I've got all the details there. And you can get a step-by-step system to go from being a YouTube creator, homestead creator, putting out there. Wonderful information. I really enjoy watching your stuff. Gotta get it to where it's monetized, where you're making some money off of it and you're doing it well. So you're keeping the profits instead of paying them all, creating all this traffic for YouTube. You need to get some of that traffic on your own site and be able to generate your own income. You need a marketing system. So go to the blog and I'll tell you more details.